Hello, Anthony Cartoons here, in my house, and my real face. It's been a while since I've shown this, huh? Okay, so I'm going to be opening something that I got in the mail recently. If you know me in real life, you'll know that I have a lot of merch from glitch shows, like Murder Drones Digital Circus. But I've never opened them and put them on YouTube. Sorry about the light. I'm going to go in front of there. Okay, so I never opened them on YouTube. Like, I do record myself opening them. But I recently realized that I may have accidentally shown my address thing on it. Like, on the package when it shows your address, like being mailed to there, or shipping code or whatever. Yeah, the shipping code or whatever it's called. I showed that on accident, so I'm not gonna be showing those videos. But because this is a very special package, I am going to be opening it on camera. And what is that, you may be asking? I feel like you probably should have guessed this one. This is the doll Animegaz that I recently got as a gift for graduating the 8th grade, or getting past the 8th grade. I don't know what the term is. But this is the thing that I got. Thank you, Dad, by the way. And I'm going to be opening it and assembling it on camera. Okay, let's get this done with. How do you do this now? Oh, there's a thing there. Gotta get the thing out there. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Ow. And yes, I'm going to be keeping the box because I want to put the Animegaz on the box, and it's not getting out of the thing. Dude. I'm gonna cut this part out when I put it on YouTube. Okay. There we go. Finally. It only took 5 years. Okay. Let's open it up then. I assume this is how you open it up, like from here. I'm trying my best not to damage the fuck out of the box. Oh no, I'm doing it already, damn. There we go. That's not too bad. Ooh. This is it. This is it. I'm gonna be showing it to you guys better later, because right now it's in plastic that shines, because my middle blind here is kind of see-through, so the light's getting through. I should have recorded this somewhere else. Okay, this is it. It's actually really cool. I like the hair details on the back there. Okay, you out. Oh my god, there's another part. Okay. The floor. Do you have trouble standing? Well, don't worry, because we have a floor. Okay, this is the background thing, I assume. Let's get assembling it, boys and girls. What's gonna do? I have no clue, sorry. I'm gonna edit that out. Probably. Okay, you go there. Okay. Yes. There's a little minor thing going on there. Where do you go? Oh, you go on the finger, I think. Do you? Is that how it goes? Did I look up how to assemble? Okay, so that's the best I can do. Here we got the doll Animegaz, everybody. I'm probably gonna fix the solver thing here later, because I definitely put that on wrong. The little hair details in the back I was talking about. So this is a really cool thing that I have here. I'm gonna find a place to put it later, but I really, really like this one. Thank you to my parents who let me get it, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!